Hi, my name is Ashish and this is the new video for the Azure Container Registry series that we are working on. In this video, we will see how to build and deploy container images in the cloud with Azure Container Registry Task. Azure Container Registry Task lets you organize your skills that you have with the Azure Docker task. So ACR Task is a suite of software features within Azure Container Registry that provides streamlined and efficient Docker container images built in Azure. The inner loop development cycle is the iterative process of writing code, building and testing an application before committing to source control. A quick task extends your inner loop to the cloud, providing you with build success validation and automatic pushing of successfully built images to your container registry. Your images are built natively in the cloud, close to your registry, enabling faster deployment. So in this video, we will get the simple application source code. We will build a container image in Azure. We will deploy a container to Azure container instances. I am logged on to the portal, and I will open the Azure Cloud Shell, which is a free interactive shell that we can use to run these steps in this video. Click on Azure Cloud Shell here. We'll take pay as you go, show advanced. Setting resource group, use existing. I'm going to use this. Storage account, create new. Let's say test storage. File share, create new, test, file share, Central India, click on create. I'm using this so that I can run these commands. Okay. Azure test storage, Azure test file share. It is creating, but let's wait. Let me pause the video and come back. I got the success message. It says initializing your account for Cloud Shell. Till the time it's doing it, I'm going to go to my GitHub account here, and I'm going to fork one sample repository that is available by Microsoft. We will build a container image from the source in the repository, and maybe in the next video we will push a commit to the fork that we will create of the repo. So this is the sample repository, and I will click on fork here. It says it will take a few seconds. ACR build hello world note, fork from here, and it is under my repository. Here it is. Now I will clone this fork. I will clone the repo with the git. I will go to I'm already logged in. Now I will write the command to clone it. Git clone /macwac. I am on github.com. My GitHub username, which is v-2 Azure. Azure / the name of the repository that I forked, which is ACR build hello world node. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let me change the directory and come back. It ran successfully. Now I made a folder called git under my C drive, and there was no problem of the permissions, though it is coming in the red color. But if I check it, I have the git forked repository here. So what I did was I made a fork of the repository, the sample repository. Then of that fork, which was created under my repo v-2 Azure repo, if I show you, this is the repository. I am under this, and this is the forked repo I see, forked from this one, right? So Azure samples is the Azure sample repository. So I see a successful message here. Now I come inside the directory in which it contains all the source code. Now I will build in Azure with ACR Task. Now that we have pulled the source code down to our machine, we have to follow the steps to create the container registry and build the container images with the Azure task. So if I'll go to the Azure registry, ACR underscore name, I have to create one. Give me a minute. I've defined the name, a variable, ACR name equal to test Azure, a unique name for my container registry. Now within the container registry environment variable, we should now be able to copy and paste the remainder of the commands. Okay, let me copy and paste it. Okay, now what it will do, it will pick up this name from this variable, would create a resource group with the same name, then it will create the resource group with the resource group name here, location would be East US, and then it will create a Azure Container Registry inside this resource group with the ACR name variable name picked up from here. Let's see how it goes. I think it did not work. Let me check and come back. Okay, it finally succeeded when I ran this through the Cloud Shell. Now we have the registry, we have the ACR task to build a container image from the sample code. Now we will execute the ACR. Now we'll pull up the image. Now we'll use the ACR task to build the container image from the sample code. So I am making this hello ACR. What did I miss? ACR build. Registry is ACR name. Well, the issue is with this image, because this image is not available at the Azure sample repository for the containerization concept. So this was the basic idea, that you can use the bash shell under the Azure Cloud Shell and run these commands to create the resource group and pull the registry and the fork the sample repository from the Azure sample registry as well. So in the next video I will cover the continuation part for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.